Welcome to the Floral POS. In this how-to video, we're going to show you how to use our time clock admin. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to show you is how to get to the actual time clock admin itself. So you can click on the time clock here in the upper left-hand side of the screen, and then inside of here we have our time clock admin button. You can also get there by going into Control Panel, System Management, Employee Manager, and Time Clock Admin. Last but not least, you can get there if you add the employee manager into your admin menu. So we have added the employee manager there. So if you click on there, basically it saves you one step. You click here, and then time clock admin's right there. Also, if you notice, if you go to time clock and then time clock admin, it's like it just goes in. It doesn't stop me from going in there. So you might be like, can my employees get in here? And if you set your permissions up properly, let's go ahead and select Alicia Harold here. And so she's logged in. It shows her menu. We can go ahead and click on the time clock. Like we're going to clock her in. Maybe clock her in and clock her out. But if you notice here, the time clock area is now grayed out. She cannot get there. Same thing if we go into Control Panel and we go into System Manager, the Employee Manager area is grayed out. She can't get to that area. So you can definitely, you have the capability to make sure your employees aren't getting into areas you don't want them to be in, especially the time clock admin. You don't want them to delete and alter their punches, ins and outs. So let's go back to our admin. Let's click on our time clock admin and kind of show what it looks like inside of here. So you can see up here in the top here, it says view punches by. You can do week ending and select whatever one you want. And then also you can do a date range. So maybe you just want to see the punches in from today. You can do that. Also, you can look at pay types. So you can look at check or direct deposits. And then you have to select, you don't have to select an employee. You can show all employees, or you can just select a particular employee. So let's select Timothy Bell just for this week ending at 10/21. And here are all the punches and ins and outs for Timothy Bell. You can see clocked in on the 16th at 8, and then same thing, same date on the 16th at 11. He left early to pick up his kids from school. And then on the 17th at 9, 12:30 for lunch, back at 1, left at 5. It's kind of a neat little thing. If you want to take these and print this out so you guys can cut them a check or whatever, you can go ahead and select the print button or the print preview button. I like the preview so you can actually visually see it. And it shows up top here like the hours worked: 3 hours, 7.5, 6, 8.5, and total hours worked 31 here. You can kind of look through this. You can print this out if you'd like to. Pretty simple. If we need to delete or add clocked in times, it's very easy. So let's delete these two just for fun. And then let's add a couple for today. So 10/20/2023, let's say he got to work at 9 o'clock. And then he took lunch at 12:30. Back at 1 o'clock. And then he left for the day at 5 o'clock. That easy. Now we can print this out to take a look at it. Pretty cool. It's very, very simple. And if you guys have any ideas or feedback on to make this better or add features into this, we're all ears. And again, this is just something that we added for you guys to have to keep track of time. But I'm sure you guys have other ideas of things you wanted to add in here. So again, we're all ears. Let us know. If you have any questions about this, call us at 888-865-9768. Again, you can email us at support@thefloralpos.com, or you can click on our smiley face. And we'll see you guys in the next one.